In our last video, we answered the question, why does my tire pressure light come on when it gets cold? So make sure you watch that video if you have that question, but I also want to talk a little bit about a couple of things that happen to your vehicle when temperature changes. Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, first of all, when we have a drop in temperature, so when we kind of go from the fall to the winter, a lot of things on your engine start to shrink up. Gaskets, seals, hoses, things like that. And so you can develop all kinds of fluid leaks. You can get some radiator fluid or antifreeze coolant, whatever you want to call it, leaking. You can get engine oil leaks, transmission leaks, power steering leaks. And there's nothing you can do to prevent that. It's just because they're getting older and they shrink up. And then when the temperature warms up, sometimes those leaks go away. Another thing you might experience is the check engine light can come on. And if that's a P0128 code, that's because your thermostat is just slightly stuck open and it takes a little bit too long for the engine to warm up, and then it sets that light. So there's a couple of things that can happen to you when the weather gets colder. I hope you found this informational, and thanks for watching, and until next time, blessings to you and safe travels.